Riuma ihinda iritu ria Catherine Wahome, mutumia wa mbere wa uria wari ngabana wa Nyeri ndagitari Wahome Gakuru, akihungwo mahuri ataririe uria angikorwo ciigii gikuo kia ngabana. Martha Waweru, uria ni wakiri wa family ya Wahome Gakuru, nioririe Catherine ataririe kana hihi nioye ati uira uria urutitwo urenekanaga ati kwahoteka Gakuru ni kuragwo oragirwo ni arata hakuhi. Ona gutuika Catherine augire ndoi kwari na njama ta iyo na kuongerera kuuga ati witikio wake ndumwitikiritie gwika giko ta kiu.
You know that?
Yes, I do. Yes, he was my husband.
Was your husband?
Catherine nioririo kana ni matiganite na muthuriwe kuma mwaka wa 2008 akiuga ndari undu uyu wigie ndigano yao kuna Gakuru ni amuceragira gwake mwena wa Karen mucii munene wa Nairobi.
You are not in good terms with your husband from the year 2008 when you moved to Gikuu, completely not in terms, up to the date he died. You are not in terms. Correct?
Not correct.
Ciroyo urathi na mbere na guthikiririo ni mucirithania Wendi Kagendo kuria ni aira angi 10 maritwo muhari ria maguthi na mbere na kuheana wira wigi Gikuu giki. Ciroyo ukirariririe tariki 4 mweri wa 11. Thuthuria wa mwiri wa Gakuru wonanagia ati akuire ni undu wa kura thakame nyingi thutha wa mutino na ningi ni ari na nguraro njuru cia mugongo.
Wahome Gakuru was a severe bleeding, which is also called exsanguination, and lower back injuries.
Amwe na aira aria mekinyetie bao-ini Josephat Mwangi uria urakurikana ni igoti ta ithe wa Maina niwe wari wa mbere kuruta wira kuona thengia wa gukorwo ari murangiri wa hakuhi wa Gakuru, ari murata wa giti kia mbere ona murata wa ihinda iraya.
We have authority would have done, yes? If you had authority.
Aria angi marutite wira ni hamwe na muteithiriria wake wa hakuhi Albert Gakuru. Giribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Nyeri, njitagwo Wahome Gakuru.